Hello, my name is Sandi Renteria, and I'm going to do a short video and show you just how quick you can create a lead capture page in the system Power Lead system. It is so simple, even I can do it in relatively fast. I am actually logged into my Power Lead system as we speak, and all I'm going to do is click over here on this second um, category, and I'm going to say create lead capture page. It's the third one down, and then I'm going to click here that says create a complete page. So as I go on to that, then I'm going to scroll down, and I mean, if you want to watch their tutorial, you can do that. Here's some capture pages I've already created, but as you can see, there's plenty to choose from. And like this one, it's add your own background. So all these flowers right here, you could add your own pic or whatever. You add a video, and you get to customize everything. You get to put all your text in yourself, what you like this button to be. I mean, they're so simple. So for instance, if you chose this one, there are, let's see, 5 different options. And really, this is good for any business. As you can see, this is a lead capture page for someone that is probably a dentist or, a hygienist or something of that nature. So you can always, choose different things. There's auto sales, there's chiropractor, there's coffee shops, doctors, general, insurance, landscapers, lawyers, lifestyle, real estate, restaurants, and retail. So as you can see, there's a capture page probably for, you know, any type of business. I mean, you can just, customize them to whatever you would like. And for instance, like this one, I mean, it's kind of more simple, but again, you get to customize the text up here and your headline and put your own video in, and there's 2 options on that particular one. So let me trying to go back to my lead capture page, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose one. I mean, you can just browse through here and just see the different templates or that you can choose. And I'm just going to choose this. Let's see. I'm going to go with, how about number 6, this particular one. And you can do a view right here that kind of shows you what it's going to be like. And here you'll put your own video in, and you'll be able to put your own text here and your your headline and what you want this button to say. So I'm going to hit close. I'm going to go ahead and choose that particular one. So I just burn up a few minutes just showing you the different options or that you can do, but really it is a simple thing. So I'm choosing it, and I'm not for sure. Oh, there we go. So it picked it up, and now it says edit lead capture page, and I'm going to edit the title, which is going to be this or actually the title so I can remember what it is, and I'm just going to put tutorial so that I'll know, that's what I'm doing here. And then you can also choose what fields that you want your lead to put in, which are these fields right here, whether you want just their first name or do you want their full name, their email, and so I always like to do, of course, mandatory is always first name and their email address. I always choose to display last name. Now, it isn't mandatory that they fill in the last name, but you can go ahead and choose that if you would like. And then the next category, step number 3, it says choose which autoresponder you want to be sent out. Maybe you have uploaded your own autoresponder, or you can choose a plethora of what ones they already have. And or you can choose to not have one. So I'm going to just choose not to send an auto responder campaign at this particular time, just for this demo. Now, if you already have your domain name, which I do, I'm gonna choose my own domain name. But actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and make a subdomain for this, and I'm just going to put tutorial, so that I'll know, and then, so basically it's going to be tutorial.pls-freeleads.com. That's going to be my domain name. And then let's see, that's step 4. Step 5, it says when using your domain above, where do you want your prospects to go after that? So if you do have an outside business, as myself, I want my prospects to go to an outside source, to an outside category, or I'm sorry, outside web page. And so I'm just going to actually go to workwithsandi.com. Whoops, sorry. .com, and that actually is just my blog, so I'm just going to use that just again for this example. And then it asks you step 6, it said, would you like to add a bonus automatically sent to these prospects? So you can choose a bonus, and what they have is some ebooks, and you can have them, you know, when they fill out the survey, an ebook is automatically sent to them. For this example, I'm not going to choose to send anything at this time, so I'm going to say no. And then step 7 is you just want to put a description in for your, you know, the search engine. So I'm just going to put tutorial for Power Lead system. And then power on your keywords, just you can add as many as you want. I always put my name. I mean, you don't have to, but you can do whatever you want. If I could spell my name. Anyway, and you can just go on and on and on, and you can separate them with just a comma. And then this next step is submit button text. And if you remember, it's like what you want them to do on that button, like access now, or I'm going to say act now. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to hit save. You hit save changes to the lead capture page. It's going to take you on to the next page. This next page, it says Aweber. Now I do have an Aweber outside lead autoresponder that I use myself, but if you don't want to use that, you know, you can choose whatever. You can add, all you have to do is add your email, your Aweber list that you want it to go to. So I had, you know, that's the one I have going to right now. But right now we'll just choose this for the example. And then this is, you know, asking you some questions about Aweber, and you know, set my opt-in form to not use Aweber. So on this particular one, I'm going to set to not to use my Aweber and just let Power Lead System collect my leads themselves. So then I'm going to hit next, and I've made those changes, and then because I already had it go into my Aweber. Anyway, so now this is the section where you get to type in and fill out this information. And this information is this particular information right up here, which is your headline. And let's just say making money. Whoops, making money with affiliate program. And I'm going to say this is an ebook. And so that's what's going to be up here. Then I'm going to type in some information that's going to be in this little section above where they put in their information. And this right now says don't miss out, take action now. That's fine. I'm going to go ahead and leave that. Then the information, the white text right above the lead box, which is this little white line right here. And I'm going to say claim your free ebook. And again, like, you know, I didn't show you this, but you can always change the font, and you know, several different font choices here. You can change the size to, you know, whatever you want. You can change the color of text you want. I'm going to choose for this one, how about let's do red, because it is on a blue background, so let's do red. And then I'm going to also change this font to match the font that I had chose, which is Veranda, and I'm going to go size 14. this particular information, which was on the headline, I am going to change it to, again, veranda, and I'm going to bump it up to make it stand out. And let's go 26. And I think, even though it looks kind of odd that it's stacking on each other, I think it'll be okay. And let's see, I'm going to save changes and move to the next step. And do I want my video, do I want to use a video from their library, or do I have my own video from YouTube, or no video? I'm going to choose one from YouTube because I do have a YouTube video that I always use for my opt-in forms. So I'm going to say save changes and move to the next step. And then all you need to do is get the embed code from your YouTube or your Vimeo or any of those type things. So I'm just going to say copy. I went over to my YouTube and hit copy. I'm back. I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to hit there, as you see it populated there. And then I always click this because my videos don't automatically start up. So I do want my video to start as soon as somebody gets to my page. So start my video automatically, and then I'm going to hit save change and move to the next page. Now I've completed that. Now let's see, I'm going to view my capture page and see if there's anything I need to change. Again, this is the headline that I had chose, Making Money with Affiliate Programs ebook. And then the subtitle over here, it says don't miss out, take action now. This next line says claim your ebook now. Now that is a little hard to read, that red, so I can change that, but because all you got to do is go back and edit it. And this button here, I put act now, which you can again change that. But anyway, it all looks well. I'm going to go ahead and test, and let's see. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I don't know what I was doing. Hello. I'm not going to put a last name in, but I'm going to use a address, just so because I've used all my other ones. But anyway, then I have to put in this to make, so it verifies that I'm not a robot. And then I'm just going to hit this. And now what I'm going to do is I could go ahead and hit my video and show you that my video plays, which I will. And there you go. But then after I did that, then I'm going to hit act now, and it should, uh-oh, it's telling me my address is not good. So let's see. I'm going to use my husband's. He might not like it. Whoops. Let's see. Let's try this again. 7. Sorry, that shouldn't have took me that long. Uh-oh, that's telling me it's not. I don't know what address I can use. So let me just see. I'll try that one again, even though I've used that. FXSZ. And try that. And there it goes. It goes to my web page. So there you go. That's how simple it is. So if you have any questions, please feel free to go ahead and send me a message, or like it, share it, comment. I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if that's where you're watching it. Other than that, that's all I have, and you guys have a great day, and remember, always love what you do. Bye.